In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize custom objects in HubSpot. Whether you're looking to tailor HubSpot to meet your business needs more precisely, or you're simply interested in expanding its versatile capabilities, understanding how to create and customize custom objects is essential. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by accessing the Custom Objects section within your HubSpot account. To do this, click on the settings icon located in the top navigation bar. From there, navigate through the menu by going to Objects and then select Custom Objects. This is your starting point for setting up any custom structures you require. Once you're in the Custom Objects area, it's time to create your custom object. If this is the first custom object you're adding, you would click on Create a Custom Object. If you've already worked with custom objects before, just click on Create Custom Object. On the right-hand panel that opens up, you'll be prompted to enter the singular and plural names for your object. This naming aspect is important as it helps in easily identifying and differentiating your object records later on. You also have the option to add a brief description, which can succinctly capture the purpose or the kind of information this object will represent, if that might be helpful to anyone else accessing this object. Following that, it's time to define the properties that will be associated with your custom object. You'll begin by selecting a primary display property. Think of this as the key identifier for each record, such as equipment number. When selecting this property, you'll also decide on the property type, which could be a number, text, or other data formats depending on what best fits your needs. If necessary, you can also set this property to have unique values which ensure each record is distinct. Additionally, you can add secondary display properties. These aren't mandatory, but they're incredibly useful for quick filtering and help when you're rapidly sorting through data. After defining the properties, you're ready to finalize your custom object. Simply click on Create to save your newly crafted object. Once that's done, use the Setup tab to manage these properties in more detail. Here you can also configure forms and other crucial settings that define how this object functions. In tandem with this, the Associations tab offers the ability to link your custom object with existing HubSpot objects, establishing vital relationships that streamline information flow across your database. For those looking to delve a bit deeper, you can further customize your object by adding more properties and modifying the creation form to incorporate specific associations. Moreover, you can set up pipelines that are specially designated for this custom object to improve workflow efficiency. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can create and customize powerful custom objects in HubSpot, ultimately enabling your team to harness the full potential of your CRM system. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!